Hi, hello, everyone. Welcome to the Thai kitchen. And how are you today? Today we eat together chicken and papaya salad. You are welcome, everyone. Chicken, Falang food, and Thai food together. Welcome, come on.
Oh.
And all of a sudden, Leeds look a different side. And there was Rafinha again. He got on the ball. Somerville put a cross. There's Johnson who's in the box. And he leans forward.
Right, can I start?
Come on.
Can I start?
Chicken.
When I saw the second shot,
Cheat. Happy day, happy love, happy time, happy enjoy, and happy good chicken.
7 minutes to go to the end of the game. They're really giving a good go. What do West Ham need to do to try and wrestle back with the control? Well, this needs to manage the game. They need to get on the board. You know, Declan Rice is
Thank you.
he has done for most of the
Rain, corn, every day, rain.
Rain.
Rain every day.
might be coming on just to try and get control of the game and show a little bit of experience. But
Papaya, seafood, papaya.
maybe David
Okay,
Ross got
chicken.
that little card up his sleeve to use towards the end of the game, just to keep the scoreline at 1-0.
Okay, in a few minutes in progress. So, all right, thank you very much indeed for the moment, Leroy. Now, Napoli forward are dreaming of an FA Cup fixture, one of the
Roast
fixtures that will
potatoes.
be their place in this evening's fourth round draw. They are through to this stage for the first time in their history after they
Good
beat
chicken.
inside AFC Wimbledon.
The time went extremely slow. I looked at the clock on the 55th minute, looked up thinking it was 20 minutes later, it was 56. But when the final whistle went, yeah, it was elation. I remember I turned around to the chairman and sat behind him and fist pumped. But to enjoy it with a fan, we didn't have that luxury against St Albans. It went a little bit chaotic. I said to another interview that I'm over the moon that happened because
Vegetable.
yesterday and what we done with the fans, the community, the town and this club,
Why did you do that?
second to none.
I mean, everything. I mean, I'm a local boy, so, you know, my father managed in the 60s and 70s. I played it very badly in the 80s. I took over in the 90s.
I like Thai food.
And yesterday,
I like English food.
good ones come along, you know, once in a lifetime. So, the two North London, Arsenal and Tottenham, the two Man
Cheers.
United teams in Liverpool, not be able to me. I don't really want a small club or similar to ourselves, hungry on there. I'd like to have a break really, and so I'm a later a big club where we can enjoy the day as a club and as a town, and you know, support can travel. I think we all like that.
Indeed, I've got to be honest with you, just because of the affiliation we have with them, with the club, I support them and follow them, so for me, Arsenal would be amazing.
Atalanta, as you can see on the screen, have taken the lead away to an 80 win as they could go third in Serie A. Meanwhile, back to the FA Cup, party time for non-league Kidderminster Harriers, the lowest ranked team in the third round, now into the fourth, after beating Championship side Reading 79 places above them in the football pyramid, and Kidderminster really celebrated in style.
Fourth round, we haven't been back 35 years. We're doing it now, baby.
Well, they've waited exactly a year for this tournament to finally get underway. It's Burkina Faso taking on the hosts Cameroon. You just saw a shot there. Bertrand Traoré making his 60th appearance for his country, scored 12 goals for Burkina Faso, who were runners-up in 2013. Five-time champions in Cameroon. We're expecting a real festival of colour and music, of dance, and that's what we got in the opening ceremony. Now it's down to the business, of course. Andre Frank Zambanguisa of Fulham, Andre Nana of Ajax, and Carlton Campbell of Napoli are amongst those bigger name players that are involved for the Cameroon team. Bertrand Traoré, the standout for Burkina Faso. That game kicks off very, very shortly. Indeed, it's live on Sky Sports for you. Okay, let's take you through some transfer news now. Coutinho should complete his loan move to Aston Villa in the next 24 hours. He's taken a pay cut to make the move from Barcelona happen. Villa have a £33 million option to make the loan permanent at the end of this season. Coutinho heading into Villa Park as actual fans say leads the Manchester United defender spent the first half of the season on loan at Villa. He's now joined Napoli on loan until the end of this campaign.
Ciao, ciao to all the Napoli fans. Accept on TV.
Lovely.
To be here. I can't wait to see you guys out on the pitch. Forza Napoli sempre.
There's quite a few players who've swapped the Premier League for Serie A in recent windows. Ainsley Maitland-Niles is another. The Arsenal midfielder has joined Mourinho's Roma on loan until the end of the season. In terms of Maitland-Niles and this move, he joins fellow England players Tammy Abraham and Chris Smalling in making the move to Roma. He could make his debut against Juventus a little later on today.
No,
Yes, his game, I'm sure he's calculating what games are coming to do. So the preference there is just about how
Perhaps haven't been able to watch you too much. How would you describe yourself as a player?
Wait for thin.
very confident.
Ugh.
But and that's the game about it. Get up and down the pitch, it's technically really actual positive.
Obviously, now you get a chance to work with manager Jose Mourinho.
Homemade stuff.
Have you had a chance to speak to him at all?
Come here.
Across all the latest moves with us here on Sky Sports News. The show 3 weeks to go in this transfer window. Good Morning Transfer returns tomorrow at 9. You can follow us with our live transfer as well, skysports.com. Well, it was a heady 7 minutes that Shrewsbury held the lead. Dan Udo opening the scoring for the team coming 13th in League One against Liverpool. 54 places better off in the pyramid. But then 7 minutes later, they started the turnaround, and in the end, they ran out for winners. With Fabinho scoring 3 minutes into added time. Kate Gordon was the man who got the equaliser, 17-year-old playing for Liverpool and starting today. Fabinho with a penalty just before half-time to give Liverpool the advantage at the break. Roberto Firmino came off the bench to make sure of the result, and then Fabinho got that final goal to put the glass on the victory. So Liverpool, in the end, coasting through to round 4 with a 4-1 victory at home to Shrewsbury, although, as I mentioned, the League One side were at least so waiting for 7 minutes as they enjoyed having the lead at Anfield. What about Spurs against Morecambe? A lot more difficult for Spurs because Morecambe took the lead courtesy of Anthony O'Connor just after the half hour, and they held that lead for another 40 minutes, and they were getting texture, we're getting worried at Tottenham. Tom Gudedomble booed as he walked off the pitch, but the triple substitution made by Antonio Conte, but the subs worked. Harry Winks with a floating free kick went over everyone and went into the back of the net for the equaliser.
Very nice.
And Harry Kane too, the top of a broad time, scoring in the last 5 minutes of the regulation 90 Tottenham, not just avoiding extra time, but avoiding what would have been the true battle.
When the food's good, I'm happy.
One opposition because Tottenham
This is good.
and Morecambe 19th in England's third tier. They go through to round 4. We're into stoppage time at the London Stadium. It remains West Ham 1, Leeds 0. But any sign of an equaliser from Marcelo Bielsa's side at all?
Yeah, the right guy they brought on Somerville on his right hand side. He's tricky. He's been really influential. They had a chance where he's got it out wide to Harrison, and he smashed it into the box. And Dawson's missed it, and it's just hit there. Daniel Jones. He had no chance reacting. But it's all Leeds at the moment. They're in the West Ham defending their goal. They're putting crosses in the box. And they've just got a corner, and there's 2 minutes of extra time still to be played.
Okay, thank you very much indeed,
Chip.
Leroy. Meanwhile, Stoke look like they're through to round 4. They've got a second goal, Tyrese Campbell, at home to Leighton Orient. But these are the scenes at St Andrews as Birmingham finally get a win in the WSL. They've lost their last 8 before this game, and 13 out of last 14. But who have they beaten? Top of the table Arsenal, and they've done so by 2 goals to 0. Libby Smith with the opener, just 3 minutes in, and Beatrice Sarri, 42 minutes on the clock when she managed to get their second. It's now 4 defeats in 5 for Arsenal. What's going on? But a famous old victory here for Birmingham in the WSL against the league leaders Arsenal.
Check in a minute. Let them better than before, isn't it?
Yeah.
Paper scissors just failed. Not a single lesson 3. 0.
Sometimes zero is good. Like with eToro, enjoy 0% commission on stock investments. eToro. Download the app today.
Life wouldn't be the same without our animal friends.
Hang on.
They're part of the family. Our little companions. Our best friends. Through pet insurance from Animal Friends, you can protect your pet while helping us to support animal welfare and conservation charities worldwide. To look after your best friend, get a quote at animalfriends.co.uk.
Light up your outdoor space with
What's that?
solar energy spotlight from JLL. The motor-activated solar-powered floodlights. It charges during daylight, then turns on after dark when it detects motion. The 8 high-powered LEDs illuminate over 600 square feet. It's fully adjustable, weather-resistant, and looks just like a security camera. With no wires, it's easy to install, and there's no running costs. Don't come home to a dark house. Get the handy bright solar LED spotlight, only $24.99 from Asda Robert Dias, Home Base in Wilco.
Auntie Kate hasn't just now focused it. She's absolutely cinched it. Just like she cinched her motor. Cinch was the easy to buy a car online. There's thousands to choose from, all quality checked, with free home delivery and 14-day money-back guarantee. So you can be certain you've absolutely cinched it. Oh my gosh, stunning girls. Buying a car? Don't just name it, cinch it.
Ease Winter Sale has dazzling deals to lighten up your winter. Like a magnificent 160 gig for just £20 per month on this stunning EE 5G ready SIM. All on the UK's best network. Now that's more bang for your buck. So hurry and get 160 gig for just £20 before the 27th of January.
Say hello to Zilch, the app that serves you up the right treat by spreading the cost of what you buy over 6 weeks. We don't bake in any interest payments. You pay zero. Nada. Zilch.
But all English people, that's what you want.
You can truly have your cake and
Number one.
No.
Chicken, stuffing, carrot, onions, soup, corn, cauliflower.
comes with zero interest.
Carrot. Straight up.
Zilch. And get stuck.
Thai papaya number 1 2.
Protect your home for less this winter with British Gas Home Care. Get cover for your central heating and boiler all year round. With all parts and labour included, there's no surprise repair bills. Sign up now and we'll throw in cover for your plumbing, drains and electrics at no extra cost. Don't miss out. Offer ends 7th of February. Search British Gas Home Care.
At Wren, there's a perfect kitchen at the right price for everyone. Plus, there's 20% off laminate worktops and extractors in our Great British Kitchen sale. Now on.
Here is holding Angela at compound. Outside the pharmacy. I'm going to get her back.
We all are. My backup ruins her backup team.
Just a little picture. Cheers.
Series of Good Looking starts Thursday, 20th of January on Sky.
Darling from big. Come together.
What do you want? This?
Yeah, come together.
Yeah, with that, yeah. Don't say that.
Welcome back to Sports Sunday. Well, they were given a right old scare by League One side Morecambe, but Tottenham managed to turn things around with the help of Harry Kane in the last 15 minutes to avoid a shock defeat in the FA Cup third round. What will Antonio Conte make of it? We'll have reaction for you on the way. The shock of the day has come instead in the WSL. Bottom of the table Birmingham for their first win of the season against previously undefeated leaders Arsenal. Action from that one is coming up. And the Africa Cup of Nations is just getting underway. Host Cameroon face Burkina Faso. We'll keep you across every single month. Well, one FA Cup third round tie is going into extra time. That's Cardiff against Preston, the all-championship tie at the Cardiff City Stadium. But it's all over at the London Stadium, where West Ham have beaten Leeds by 2 goals to 0. We were seniors been watching this one here in the studio, and the goal went in, the second goal, while we were in the commercial break. So just tell us how West Ham rounded off the victory.
Well, these were really had a real go there. They had loads of crosses. They got a corner. Melier's gone up for the corner. It's been cleared. Leeds have put it back in the box, and it's been cleared by West Ham again. And Fornals has picked up edge of the box and put Antonio in, who's running one against Forshaw. Dallas is getting back. You think, is he going to take him on? All of a sudden, he comes just rampaging into the picture. Jared Bowen on the left-hand side. Antonio puts it into his path. And Melio's run all the way back from goal to get back. He takes a chance, really. Tries to try and commit himself into the box. And puts it through his legs into the back of the net, and the tie was over. The whistle went soon after. Look, in the end, it was a terrific cup tie. I thought Leeds did all right. They had the youngsters on in the first half. They made the changes. West Ham just had a little bit too much for it.
And in terms of the changes, the fourth substitution is of real interest because of the way in which it came about and the incident that ultimately sort of led to it. With
2 people cannot yet finish
head injury being, you know,
half
talking point. Just talk us
big.
through that.
Well, it was between the third player, the one that you're talking about. He had the incident just before the end of the first half. And you can say he got a knock to the head, but I'm thinking, well, it's half time, he needs to be assessed properly. He came out for 22 minutes and then said that his vision was blurred. I just think that's really dangerous. And especially when you have 5 substitutes that you can use. And if there's any sort of head incident, I think that needs to be used, obviously, with what's gone on before. And we've seen what head injuries have done to a lot of people. So I just thought that's something that we need to be more concerned about. They made the substitution, and after that, Leeds really did have a really good go at it. But that was a real concern for me. For West Ham, it's another great day at the London Stadium. They seem to be having lots of these. And they've got Norwich now on Wednesday, I think it is, in 3 days' time. And then they've got Leeds again next weekend. So it'll be interesting to see if this has an impact on that game. But great day today. But West Ham need to go on and get really 6 points from those 2 games against 2 teams who are struggling in the Premier League.
As far as Leeds are concerned, you mentioned the youngsters. We had Sam Greenwood, Helder, Bate as well. It's just the future look bright for Leeds, in terms of the longer term future.
Absolutely. I like Somerville as well, and Cody Drama came on as well. And what we're seeing now is Leeds being competitive. A few weeks ago, they were being 7 by Man City, weren't they? They got beat 4 by Arsenal. That win against Burnley was massive for them. You saw the reaction of Bielsa and his staff afterwards, where he was hugging him for about 30 seconds. I've been in that situation before as well. But what they were today were really competitive with a very, very young side. So Leeds fans should be really optimistic of the future.
And in terms of West Ham, where does this competition rank in terms of priority? Last time they won it was in 1980, but of course they've had one in the Premier League. They've got European commitments coming back in February.
I just wonder if David Moyes, and I know it's another cliche,
What's the passé?
is he just taking the game at the time?
Cannot yet finish ฝนเบกเต็มแทนพี่เพิ่นป้าพี่เพิ่น You are welcome everyone if you like my idea today Thai papaya salad and ฝรั่งพูด You are welcome Cheers
I thought flashes. That was his best game in a West Ham shirt. And he came on towards the end as well. So the same with that.
Bye bye See you later everyone Thank you so much Bye
Say to West Ham fans is when they've had that out and that's it's taken away from the team. And Antonio goes there, does great.
Don't knock that line up.
Goes there, but they all work hard for each other.